Hi, my name is Michael Thurber, and today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. First, I will do some additional scrambling, and this is not a reverse scramble. For all of you that think this is a reverse scramble, because some people do. I'm not saying you will, but okay, yeah. Well, I'm just scrambling up the Rubik's Cube, as you can see. It's now scrambled. Now, I'm going to start solving.
I'm glad you're here because it's a very special. Captain Dinosaur? Obviously. Did you tickle me just then? Oh, no, Red, no tickling, no. Did you tickle me? I thought so. Thank you, everybody. Captain, please, no more tickling. Okay, no more tickling, Rick. Thank you very much. Now, it's a very special time.
Oh yeah, and you may time me if you wish. I forgot to tell you that part at the beginning of the video, but sorry. And you can restart that way if you know. See how long it takes me, or whatever you want to do. Soon I will have a tutorial for this video. For those of you who want to know my way for solving the Rubik's Cube. And one more thing, if you've never heard of Annoying Orange, please watch it because it's very funny. And now I have solved my Rubik's Cube, as you can see, and my tutorial will be coming out soon. Thanks.